Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Do turn off your mic, everyone. Just a minute. Let me do the setup. Just a minute, beta. Okay, till then, please settle down yourself, everyone. Do settle down yourselves fast and learn all the formulas that we practiced in the last class. Ready? Why is the screen black, dear? Just a second, beta. Is the screen visible, everyone? Do let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Just a second. Hope the screen is visible to everyone. And the chapter we are doing was distance, time, and speed, right? In the last class, we learned the basic question of distance, time, and speed. Okay? Today, we are going to learn a level up question related with distance, time, and speed. Okay? Slowly, we are going to raise our bars. Slowly. Okay? Not at once. Dhire. We can have level up questions, and all the questions that we are going to do will be from the Bharti publication book only. Okay, all the questions that we are going to do are from Bharti publication book, and here you go, the very first question of today's class. The speed of car is 60 km per hour. After 3 hours, it covers 1/3 of total distance. What is the total distance you have to find out? Okay. Options I'm going to give you A, B, and C, D. Okay, I'm going to give you options. 450 kilometer, 480 kilometer, 540 kilometer, 620 kilometer. Okay, each and every unit is in kilometer. And here you go. एक second. Starting poll for you. 1 minute बेटा. कहाँ से poll? Yes. Here you go. Started poll for you. Quickly answer me. Let me see who gives me the correct answer. Okay. Mahazini, Charan and Bhumika. Very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. 26 of you have given me the correct answer, but more than the correct, I got wrong answer. Okay, let us see. The question says, speed of a car is 60 km per hour. Beta, this 60 km per hour, what does this mean? 60 km per hour means that 1 hour may it travels 60 km. If my speed is 60 km per hour, that means 1 hour I can travel 60 km. In 1 hour I can travel 60 km. Now the questions ask that after 3 hours. So if in 1 hour I can travel 60 km. So after 3 hours I will travel how much? 60 into 3. That is 180 km. Right? 60 into 3, that is 180 km. And now the question says that after 3 hours, still I have covered only 1/3 distance. That means after 3 hours, I covered 180 km. But this 180 km is only 1/3 of total distance. This 180 km is only 1/3 of the total distance. 1/3 of the total distance. What is the total distance? So total distance will be what? Total distance would be 180 into this 1/3 would be shifted here 3/1. So 180 into 3 is 540 km. And denominator 1, it has no value, right? Denominator 1, it has no value. So 540 km is the correct answer. 540 km is the correct answer. And here I haven't used any formula. I have used my brain. 60 km per hour means what? In 1 hour, I covered 60 km. If my speed is 60 km per hour, that means in 1 hour, I cover 60 km. If I cover 60 km in 1 hour, I can cover 60 into 3, 180 km in 3 hours. Okay? Yes, Chirag, do ask.
Ma'am, can you explain once again?
Yes, beta, for sure, dear. Arey, everyone, their hand raised. Yes, Harshal.
Ma'am, I can't see the down part of the board.
I'll try not to write in that much down. I hope it is visible to you now. Yes, Sherlyn.
Ma'am, can you explain this again?
Okay, those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand there. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand. Yes, Rachna?
Ma'am, why 180 into 3 by 1 it came, ma'am?
Why 3 8? Because the question says, beta. Okay, I'm explaining this once more. Devayush, do tell me. Any doubt? Specifically?
Ma'am, today 1 hour class or 2 hours?
Beta, 1 hour class. Jai Krishna. You are not audible, Jai Krishna, beta. Please ask in the chat box. Okay, I'm explaining this once more. Please, everyone, lower down your hand. See, the question says, beta, the question says that speed of a car is 60 kilometer per hour. Beta, 60 kilometer per hour, what does it mean? 60 kilometer per hour, it means that 1 hour I can travel 60 kilometer. If my speed is 60 kilometer per hour, that means within an hour, 1 hour, I can cover 60 kilometer. So my speed is 60 kilometer per hour. 1 hour I can travel 60 kilometer. After 3 hours, if 1 hour I travel 60 kilometer, 3 hours I will travel 60 into 3, that is 180 kilometer. The question says, even after 3 hours, it covers 1/3 of the total distance. Matlab, I walked and walked and walked for continuously 3 hours. But not walked, car, it is car now. So the car, it was going on for 3 hours, but it covered only 1/3 of its total distance. 1/3 of its total distance, and which is 180 kilometer. Because we found out that in 3 hours it covers 180 kilometer, which is only 1/3 of the total distance, and it is given in the question. 1/3 of the total distance. Total distance will be what? 180, and this 1/3 when shifted to other side becomes 3/1. So 180 into 3 is 540 kilometer. 180 into 3 is 540 kilometer. Yes, Nikumto?
Outside, you wrote the total distance and it was 1/3, but then you wrote 180 into 3/1. Why did you change it?
Okay, explaining this, Nikumto. Yes, Baldev?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, today I came late. So, can you please explain me from the start if you can?
No, beta, I couldn't, because first thing, the very important thing of today's class is whiteboard, and I cannot shift the screens. First thing. Second thing, this is the very first question, Baldev. I'm explaining this question once for the last time. Okay, if you can understand, please go for it, or else please join the class from the next time on time. Okay. Yes, Jai Krishna, beta, you are not audible to me. You are raising your hand. I have enabled your mic, but still you are not audible, beta. See, speed of a car is 60 kilometer per hour. That means 1 hour I can travel 60 kilometer. 1 hour I can travel 60 kilometer. After 3 hours, if 1 hour I can travel 60 kilometer, after 3 hours I will travel 3 into 60, that is 180 kilometer. The question says, even after 3 hours, you covered only 1/3 of the total distance. What is the total distance? Find out. According to the question, 1/3 of the total distance is 180 kilometer. And how did we get 180 kilometer? 60 into 3. Now I have to find the total distance. This 1 by 3 when moved to the other side becomes 3 upon 1, reciprocal. 180 into 3 is 540 kilometers. Okay, 180 into 3 is 540 kilometers. What happened, Devayush?
Ma'am, by mistake.
Pardon? Yes, Dhanmit? Yes, Naksh? Naksh? Okay, I think you don't have any doubts now because you're not turning on your mics. Let me give you another question. And please note and take the screenshot as quickly as possible because this is not the digital board so that I can swap the screens. Okay, this is the whiteboard. Please don't complain afterwards. Okay, I have another question for you. This one is easy one, but I'm going by the number. So this one is easy one. And here you go. Okay. Here Bhagwan.
Kanha.
Here you go, beta. Answer me this quickly. A cyclist cover 1.5 kilometer in 4 minutes. You have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, Gahan, Mahazini and Harshit. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 21 of you have given me the correct answer this time as well. Okay, see. I have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. Distance is given to me in kilometer. But time is given in what? Minutes. I have to convert this time into hour. I have to convert this time into hour. In order to convert this minute into hour, I shall divide it by 60. 4 upon 60 hour. So 1 and this 15. 1 by 50 now. Right? 1 by 50 now. Now I have to find the speed. Formula for speed you all know. It is distance upon my time. 1.5 and by means what? By means divide. By means divide. So 1.5 divided 1 by 50. 1.5 divided 1 by 50. Now 1.5 divide becomes what? Multiply. upon reciprocal. We know it. Whenever we have divide, we make it multiply, and as soon as we make it multiply, it becomes reciprocal, right? So 1 upon 15, it will become what? It will become 15 upon 1. Now when I remove the point, I will get 1 0 here. 1.5, I remove point. So because after the point I have 1 digit, so I got 1 0. Now 15 into 15, if you say that, ma'am, can I cut this 15 3 and then 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10? I would say yes, you can. But please try to make your calculations easy. Now, if I cut this, so it will become difficult for me. But if I do 15 into 15, 225, and upon my 10, so now it is easy for me to put the decimal. So 22.5 is my answer, which is option C. 22.5 is my answer, which is option C. Yes, Dhanvit.
Ma'am, in previous question, so how can we know 180 is the total?
180 was not the total, 180 was the distance which we covered in 3 hours, because in 1 hour we covered 60 kilometers. That's why 3 hours with a 3 into 60. Yes, Harshal.
I can't understand how you divided 4 by 60.
Whenever you convert minutes into hour beta, you divide it by 60. Yes, Vardhan.
Question.
Pardon?
Ma'am, can you give the same type of question?
Okay, beta. Yes, Rishikesh. Quickly, dear. Quickly ask me.
Ma'am, can you explain this again?
Okay, those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand. I shall explain this again. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hands, dear. If any specific question, only then keep your hand raised. Otherwise, please lower down your hand. Yes, Parthiv.
Ma'am, how you got 4 by 60?
Beta, it's 4 minutes, right? Whenever you convert minute into hour, you divide by 60, okay? So because it is 4 minutes, so 4 divided 60. Yes, Nikunto.
Yes, I can't understand how you so that after multiplying 15 into 15, how did you get 22.5?
Beta, 15 into 15 is 225. You can multiply it yourself and see. And because at the denominator we have 10, so I will put point before one digit. So 225 before one digit, I put the point. That's why 22.5 beta, Nikunto. Yes, Mahit. Quickly, dear.
Can I explain this again, madam?
Beta, yes, I told anyone who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand. I shall explain once I take the specific doubts. Yes, Dhriti.
मैम जब आप क्वेश्चन जब आपने क्वेश्चन लिखा था मैम, उसके बाद आपने क्वेश्चन लिखने के बाद आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लैंक हो गई थी और मैम मेरे को पोल भी नहीं मिला था.
अपना इंटरनेट चेक करो धृति, एग्जिट एंड रीजॉइन. यस गहन.
Ma'am, why we can't do 1.5 kilometer is equal to 90 meter and 90 divided by 4 is equal to 22.5, ma'am?
We cannot do that, beta, just because here the distance is in kilometer, but the time is in minutes. Time is in minutes. And in our question, we have to find out the speed, and it specifically says that speed should be in kilometer per hour. So distance is already in kilometer. You can convert the time into hour to get your answer. Yes, Aditya Kishore. Quickly. Aditya Kishore, you are not audible, beta. Please ask in the chat box. Yes, Vishal. Vishal, you are also not audible there. Please ask in the chat box. Yes, Sahashri.
मैम
Quickly.
मैम मिनट्स को हम लोग 60 में ही डिवाइड क्यों कर सकते हैं मैम? दूसरे नंबर नहीं ले सकते क्या?
नहीं बेटा, because minute. Okay? ये तो बचपन में ही सीखा होगा. Yes, मानसी.
मैम इसके लिए शॉर्ट ट्रिक नहीं है मैम.
ये मैंने इतना लिखा है इसीलिए यू आर फीलिंग कि ये बहुत लंबा है, बट ये सबसे ज्यादा शॉर्ट ट्रिक है. शॉर्ट ट्रिक यही था, मैंने इतना लिखा है तब तो, वरना आपको सिर्फ यही करना था, दिस स्टेप, ओनली दिस स्टेप. और आई नो मेनी ऑफ यू फील दैट मैम इतना लेंदी यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग, डोंट वी हैव अ शॉर्ट ट्रिक फॉर इट बेटा. सो शॉर्ट ट्रिक है, शॉर्ट ट्रिक तो फॉर्मूला ही है ना. शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स आर द फॉर्मूलाज. And yes, for sure, there are certain other short tricks also. But I have to write that T is 4 minutes. Now, for 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hours. So 4 by 60, I have to cut it and show. So because I am doing it for the 80 of you present here, 86 of you present in the class, so it seems very lengthy. But when you will do yourself, you can reduce the steps. Just reduce the steps. Okay, I'm explaining this once for the last time. Anyone who did not get it, please pay attention. See everyone. First thing, whenever you convert minutes into hour, okay? You divide by 60. Always do remember it. Whenever you convert minutes into hour, you divide by 60. Okay? So if you have 4 minutes, 4 divided by 60. That is 4 by 60. 4 1 is 4 and 4 15 is 60. 1 by 15 hour. Now speed. You know distance upon time, right? Distance is 1.5 kilometer and divide by means divide. Divided time is 1 by 15 hour. Now 1.15 divide becomes multiply. As soon as divide becomes multiply, 1 by 15 becomes 15 upon 1. And now you can reciprocal it. 10. 15 into 15, 225 upon 10. 22.5. Answer. Option C. Quickly take the screenshot. I'm going to rub the board. Take the screenshot, beta. I'm going to rub the board. Okay. Now next question. A bus covers 80 kilometer with speed of 40 kilometer per hour and 100 kilometer with speed of 25 kilometer per hour. Find average speed. Thirty kilometer per hour, 32.5 kilometer per hour, 45 kilometer per hour, 35 kilometer per hour. And here you go. You can answer me in phone. Quickly. Okay. Kartike, Harshit, and Anurag. First three to answer me. 21 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart, beta. Okay. Let us learn how we will do it. We have to find the average speed, right? Average speed का formula is what? Average speed का formula is total distance by total time taken. Okay. Total distance traveled by total time taken. It is the formula for average speed. Now, if I see to the question, I see a bus covers 80 kilometer. So first distance is given 80 kilometer with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and then 100 kilometer with the speed of 25 kilometer per hour. But time is not given in the question. We have only distance in the question. Time is not given in the question. So first thing you have to do is you have to find the time. You have to find the time. Then only you can find the average speed. Now, so if I talk about time, time is what? Distance upon speed. 80 kilometer speed is 40. 80 kilometer ka speed is 40. So time will be what? 2 hours. And this is time 1. And then if I talk about time 2, then same distance upon time. 100 kilometer is with the speed of 25 kilometer per hour. 25 1 is 25, 25 4 is 100. So 4 hours. So first thing you have to do is you have to find the time. You have to find the time. Now I know total time taken to travel 80 kilometer was 2 hours and time taken to travel 100 kilometer was 4 hours. Now I can calculate my average speed. Total distance is what? 80 plus 100. And total time is what? 2 plus 4. Always do remember, please don't cut this. 2 ones are 2 and 240 because we have a plus sign here. So you cannot simplify it. You have to add them first. 80 plus 100, 180. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 1 is 6 and 6 into 30 is 180. 30 kilometer per hour is your answer, which is option A. Yes, Sanskriti? Quickly.
Vertical board, so you change it to a horizontal board.
Pardon? The setting is done in the right way, dear. Sanskriti. Yes, Rachna?
That average speed is total distance upon my total time. No, ma'am. This is total. That in average, the formula is different, ma'am.
See, beta, formula is same. Speed is distance upon time, right? Speed is distance upon time. Average speed will be total distance covered by total time. So total distance covered is 80 plus 100 and total time taken is 2 plus 4. Formula is same, na? Distance upon time. Yes, Parthiv?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. You can explain it again.
Yes, beta, for sure, dear. Yes, Charlene. Ja. Please do raise your hand once more, beta. I think I just by mistake lowered down the hand of Charlene and one more student. Yes, Charlene.
Explain the end part.
Okay, beta. Yes, Bhumika.
Again?
Okay, beta. Explaining this once more. Okay, see. A bus covers 80 kilometer with speed of 40 kilometer per hour and 100 kilometer with speed of 25 kilometer per hour. You have to find the average speed, right? In this question, I have not been given the time. I don't know the time. But to calculate the speed, I know I have to know the time because the formula is distance upon time. So first let us calculate the time. Time 1 is how much? 80 kilometer you can cover with a speed of 40 kilometer per hour. So my time would be distance upon speed, that is 80 upon 40, 2 hours. 80 divided 40, 2 hours. Now time 2. 100 kilometer can be covered with the speed of 25 kilometer per hour. Time taken would be 100 divided 25, which is 4 hours. 100 divided 5, which is 4 hours. And now you can calculate the average speed. Total distance is 80 plus 100, which is 180 kilometer. And total time is 2 plus 4, which is 6, right? So 180 divided 6, you got 30 kilometer per hour as your answer. 30 kilometer per hour as your answer. Waiting for 10-20 seconds. Please take the screenshot and note it down. And then I'm going to give you another question. Please note this down, dear. Hope you must have noted this, Vita. A boy goes to school at the speed of 10 kilometer per hour and returns back at 15 kilometer per hour. What is his average speed? $12.5, 12, 25. Here you go. You can answer me in both. Alright. Here you go, beta. Answer me in both. A boy goes to school at a speed of 10 kilometer, and when he comes back home, he has the speed of 15 kilometer per hour. What is his average speed? Arav, Bhumika and Pardev. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 27 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart, dear. Very smart. Yes, Charantej, what happened, beta? Okay, see. In this question, beta, you can see that you have neither been given the distance nor you know the time. The only thing you know is speed, that is 10 kilometer per hour and 15 kilometer per hour. Okay. So you have a short trick formula for it. Okay. Whenever you have to calculate the average speed, when you have to calculate the average speed and you don't know the distance or the time, you don't know the distance or the time, only speed is known to you, then you will use the formula 2xy x plus 1. What does x and y stands for? X is speed 1 and y is speed 2. Okay. This x and y, it is speed 1 and speed 2. So whenever only speed has been given in the question and you have to calculate the average speed. So you learned one formula that average speed means total distance upon total time. But if distance and time is not given to you, only speed has been given to you, so you will use this short trick formula. Okay, this short trick one. That is 2xy x plus y. Okay, x and y both stands for the different speeds. So 2 into speed 1 is 10 and speed 2 is 15, and then you will add 10 plus 15 here. Okay, so how much it becomes? 2 into 10 into 15, and 10 plus 15 is 25. Now you can simplify it. Now you can simplify it. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 1 is 5, and 5 2s are 10, right? Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 kilometer per hour is my answer, which is option B. Which is option B. Please note this down, everyone. And if any doubts, do let me know. Any doubts, do let me know. Yes, Akshay.
Click 12.5, ma'am. It came like I clicked B, ma'am, but it's coming like I clicked the 12.
Might be internet glitch. Yes, Nikumto.
Ma'am, can you explain it again, please?
Okay, those who want me to explain it again, beta, you can lower down your hand, everyone. If you want me to explain again, please lower down your hand. Yes, Dhanvit.
Ma'am, we can. Ma'am, 12.5 is the correct answer because they are given 2 times speed. So we will add the speed and hour is 2 hours. Then the answer will come 25 divided 2. Then the answer is A option, ma'am.
No, Dhanvit. No, Dhanvit. You have to use this formula. You don't have to use that. Yes, Sahil.
Works when speed is only given, ma'am.
Pardon, beta?
Ma'am, this formula only works when the
Yes. This formula will work only when the speed is given. And Dhanvit, you told me then average would be, we would add 15 plus 10, 25 and then divided by 2. No, beta. That is not the correct way to answer, Dhanvit. The correct way is only this particular formula. Only this particular formula. Whenever you have been given different speeds, okay? So if different speeds are given to you, what you have to do? You just have to use this formula 2xy x plus y, okay? And x and y refer to the different speeds which have been given in the question. Now just put the values. 2 into x is 10, y is 15. So 2 into 10 into 15 upon my x plus y, that is 10 plus 15. So 10 plus 15 is 25. Now you will simplify it. So 25, 5 is 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10. Now you are left with 2, 2 and 3. Multiply it. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 km per hour is your correct answer. Quickly, dear. Note this down and then I'm going to give you another question. Same type of question I'm going to give you, okay? Same type of question I'm giving you again, only with the digits change. A car travels first half distance between two cities at a speed of 40 km per hour and rest with speed 60 km per hour. Find average speed. Same question I have given you, only the digits have been changed. and same question is it. And you can answer me in cold. Here you go. Hope this time all of you give me the correct answer. Go for it. Quickly, dear. Charan Tej, Anurag, Swastik, very good beta. First three to answer me. 22 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. But I hope that more of you could have answered me, but you couldn't. What happened, Vardhan?
Ma'am, when I was doing this question, I saw the time was 52, but suddenly when I wrote average speed, so time went till suddenly it went till 18, ma'am. It was near 49 and it directly went near 18.
I don't know, beta. Might be internet problem. Yes, Adya. Preetam. Yes, Preetam.
And is there a point between 4 and 8, ma'am?
Pardon?
And is there a point between 4 or 8, ma'am?
4 and 8? Matlab?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my answer is 4.8, ma'am.
4.8. No, beta. It's not 4.8. Yes, Dhriti.
मैम आप भी पोल दे रहे हो मैम उस समय पोल पे आपको हमेशा ये फिट हो जा रहा है जिससे मैं आप पोल दिख नहीं रहे हैं
तो आपके इंटरनेट की प्रॉब्लम होगी धृति प्लीज डू चेक ओके क्वेश्चन वाज तो वेरी इजी आई हैड जस्ट चेंज द डिजिट्स नथिंग एल्स कॉन्सेप्ट वाज द सेम राइट concept was the same and I just had to use the formula which is the short trick 2xy upon me x plus y right now x and y are the different speeds first speed is 40 km per hour second speed is 60 km per hour right now just solve it. I just put the values 2 into 40 into 60 upon my x plus y. 40 plus 60. 40 plus 60 is 100. Now I shall simplify it. 0 se 0 cut. 0 se 0 cut. 2 4s are 8 and 8 into 6 is 48. 48 km per hour is my answer which is option D. 48 km per hour is the answer which is option D. Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes, Rachana.
6 4s are 24, ma'am, and 24 2s are 48, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Vardhan.
Ma'am, after dividing, what is remaining we should multiply, ma'am.
Yes, beta Vardhan. Yes, Dhanvit.
Ma'am, you put the formula and did. Ma'am, but they have given a car travel first half distance between two cities. What about that, ma'am?
We
Nothing.
neglect.
Nothing. That is just a statement done with just a statement that first half of the distance is covered by the speed of 40 km per hour. Second half distance is covered by the speed of 60 km per hour. That's it. Last, yes, Dhruti.
मैम मैम आपने जो फॉर्मूला था एवरेज स्पीड का, मैम आपने जो 100 कट किया है, मैम उसके बाद नीचे का मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है, आप थोड़ा सा नीचे कर सकते हो मोबाइल?
नीचे कुछ है ही नहीं धृति. It's just 48. 2 4s are 8 and 8 into 6 is 48. That's it. You can solve it yourself also and see. And that's it for today, dear. That's it for today. Quickly take the screenshots. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Next class, we will learn more tougher questions. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.